Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, an amazing proud moment for all the people who are staying in India. Just a couple of days back, the Nvidia CEO Jensen had actually mentioned, and I'm probably reading an article and saying that in front of you. He said that the Indian IT force in the country is going to be at the front office where their AI skills will create values for companies. Now, just imagine such an amazing personality is probably showcasing the amazing work that probably Indian IT force is going to do. And this actually shows the importance of AI. If I talk about India, and so many people working, between the age of 21 to 35 in the specific IT industry. And you have already seen that any technology that probably comes, we Indians are the first people who learn each and everything and develop some amazing products on top of them. Yeah, soon you'll also be seeing in India, because of all the necessary support that we are getting, we will also be developing things from scratch. I think just in the upcoming 5 years, you'll be seeing a lot of changes. And if I talk about India again with respect to investment, also investors are now showing trust and investing money on research. If I talk about companies like OpenAI, right, they have put huge amount of number of years, right, for the research, and then they came up with this amazing LLM models and all, right? And that is why right now they are doing some amazing things. So the time is changing, and even Indian government, right? If I talk about semiconductor chip, Make in India campaign, and many more things are specifically happening. Now, if I talk about AI, definitely it is going to change the world. That is what I believe. People who think that AI may take their job, trust me, that thing is not going to happen. Instead, your productivity will be increasing. And I'll tell you guys, if that will be the situation that will happen in the future, like taking your jobs away, trust me, again, government bodies will come and regulate that entire AI thing, so that AI will only be used for increasing the productivity of the people who are specifically doing some kind of work. These things I can definitely predict what is going to happen in the future. Now let's talk with respect to technologies, right? Many people are from different domains. Now they are working, let's say if I talk with respect to technology only, right? Some people are working as a full stack web developer, Java developer, digital marketing, some or the other fields, AI and all. But trust me, in the upcoming couple of years, every technology will have the need to integrate AI capabilities into it. Let's say you're developing a website, or let's say you're developing an AI and web app itself, right? And you want to integrate some AI models or functionality. So every people working in different technology will also require the necessity to learn AI. And this is what I can definitely see, because now, right now, even I've seen people building multiple products, and there you can actually see AI capabilities getting integrated in it. Not only in software, even in hardware, right? Many companies are developing different hardware, from ACs to television to mobile devices to many more things. There also AI capabilities are getting integrated. Why it is getting integrated? Because it provides an amazing functionality. And this is where I still stand firm and say that AI is the thing that probably everybody needs to learn. You cannot ignore AI. If you are ignoring AI right now, trust me, later on, when you see that just in couple of years, you'll be seeing so many different changes that will actually happen. Let me show you an article. I just searched it over here. Nvidia CEO in Indian AI front. Nvidia CEO Jensen has praised the Indian engineering, said that the IT force in the country is going to be at the front office where the AI skills will create values for companies. He was speaking to the reporters, right? And every article is basically covering that same thing. And this he was saying when he met our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, right? And just imagine, right, from a CEO to a leader, and how we are specifically going. This gives a lot of trust where we are going to be in the upcoming 4 to 5 years, where there will be a huge amount of development. Now, one common question that many people ask me, Krish, tell me, how do we decide any specific technology, that will be definitely growing in the upcoming 10 to 15 years, right? See guys, again, I'm telling you, and from past 4 to 5 years, I'm again telling you, right? Whatever technology you choose, AI will be the part of it. I'm not saying some technology is bad, some work is bad, whatever domain you're working at. Let's say a person is there as a full stack web developer. Let's say there is a person who works in the hardware industry. Let's say there's a person who works in the chips industry, right? Whatever task you really do, once you add that additional skill set of AI, it really makes that product a wholesome product, a 360-degree product, right? So if you also want to identify, right, whether AI is doing well or not, you just go and search for the fundings that are happening recently, right? Fundings that are happening in what all kind of companies that are happening. Let's say if I see in this particular month 10 to 15 news of funding, out of that 8 to 9 fundings will be going on to companies who are doing amazing work in the field of AI. Again, they're developing amazing things. See, when I say in the field of AI, they're creating some kind of products that actually creates a lot of impact in our human life. I'm not saying because of that AI is beautiful or AI is amazing. No. See, in that product also, you may require a UI developer, you may require a web developer, you may require a front-end developer, you may require a back-end developer, you may require a database developer. But at the end of the day, how you're integrating that AI module completely into that particular product as an AI engineer. Okay, just let me know in the comment section, because I have been seeing a lot of messages from many people to make you understand what does an AI engineer do and what is the roadmap of AI engineers. Just let me know in the comment. I will try to create an amazing video for you in just a couple of days, to make you just exactly understand where does AI engineers actually belong. That exact developing product, right? Let's say Netflix is a product. Netflix is a streaming platform. If I really want to integrate an AI functionality like a recommendation system, how will I be integrating? There is a software engineer that is already working in that specific product. But how, as an AI engineer, I'll make those specific module and integrate between these two specific platforms so that it gives you an amazing experience to the front-end user, right? People who are specifically using. Now, still, if you feel, no, AI is not going to take an impact, trust me guys, in this past 5 years, and now the amount of fundings are also that are coming, the amount of research that are probably happening right now, you just go and search research papers also, right? Every day I see a research paper. See, that is a habit that I've always kept. I keep on researching things. I keep on seeing what new things are actually coming in the industry and all. You'll be seeing maximum number of researchers specifically happening in the AI field. And this is what you can see companies like Nvidia and all, where it was, the stock price where it was, now where it is, right? How the companies are specifically growing, which sector the companies are growing, which sectors AI is creating an amazing impact. Keep on looking onto that. Still, people who are there who thinks, Krish, I'm not able to get job. You're just thinking a small thing, guys, about job, right? First of all, upgrade your skill set that you may create a larger impact, And trust me, when you're learning in the right way, job is a very simple thing. You'll start thinking like an entrepreneur, like what else I can do, right? And that is what I feel, still believe, and I'll be firm with this specific decision. Whatever you all say, I see there is a huge scope of growth, specifically in the field of AI. I'm not saying that you switch your technology completely to AI. No, learn AI is a thing that how you can also boost your productivity by implementing amazing products in your technology. So yes, this was it from my side. Along with this, I will be giving you a lot of materials in the description of this particular video. If you really want to start learning AI, data science, along with entire free videos and materials, everything will be in the description of the particular video. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.